If your Ford F150 fuel gauge is messing around, don't worry. We've got the solution. Alright, Ford F150 owners, here's the deal. A malfunctioning fuel gauge is a common headache, but it's often an easy fix. First, check the fuse. It might sound basic, but a blown fuse can mess with your gauge. Locate the fuse box, find the fuel gauge fuse, and see if it's intact. If not, replace it. Next, let's tackle the sending unit. This little gadget in your fuel tank measures the fuel level. Over time, it can fail or get gummed up. You'll need to drop the tank to access it, so be prepared for some elbow grease. If it's damaged, replace it. Another culprit could be the wiring. Inspect the wires connecting the sending unit to the gauge. Look for frayed or corroded wires and fix any you find. A bad ground connection can also throw things off, so ensure everything's tight and clean. Lastly, if all else fails, it could be the gauge itself. Dashboards can house gremlins, and sometimes the gauge is the issue. Test it by connecting a known good sending unit and see if the needle moves. If not, you may need a new gauge. Remember, a working fuel gauge isn't just convenient, it's crucial. Safety first, always. And if you're not comfortable doing these checks, consult a professional. So there you have it. Simple steps to diagnose and fix your fuel gauge. Thanks for watching, and happy driving.